Today we're going to talk about a drain valve, the water drain valve found on most Tico washing machines. This drain valve is screwed right to the bottom of the actual drum, a stainless steel drum that goes around in circles. And you pull this here, it opens and the water comes out. Occasionally this will wear out and you need to replace this unit here. When we ship you a new unit, it'll either be black or white, same exact ones, and it'll look just like this. The easiest way to replace this is to simply, your old one will have 4 nuts and bolts there, is to simply take those nuts and bolts off. And you're going to notice that this whole apparatus comes apart. There's a simple reason that you'd want to take it apart like this. Because what you'll notice is 3 pieces. One, the main valve itself, and then the bottom. This piece here is going to be screwed up into your washing machine. And it may be a little cumbersome to get the old piece out. So there's a high likelihood you can leave the old piece in there and simply put this up and match it with your old piece and put your bolts back in there and bolt this to your old piece. Otherwise, it is possible to unscrew this out of your old wash machine and screw the new one in there. There's not enough room though to turn this around without it hitting part of the washing machine. So, easiest way to replace it is to take the 4 bolts off and then bolt it back together on the machine. That's replacement of your water drain valve.